Your English teacher Bhumika Shah welcomes you all back to another session of your English online classes. So my dear students, in our previous class we completed the poem If, right? हम लोगों ने एक chapter complete किया and that was about the poem If, and it was about कि what all things we can be. If you are a doctor, what you can do, how you can treat a patient. If you are a teacher, how you can sing a beautiful poem, right? All these things we studied in our previous lesson. So now we are going to deal with another chapter of the reader, English reader, and that lesson name is lesson number 2. Praful learns a lesson. Praful learns a lesson. So without wasting the time, wear your headphones, take out your English textbook and get ready for today's class. So students, let's begin the class. So as you can see, it's lesson 2. Praful learns a lesson. So before beginning the chapter, first let's discuss the word meaning. हम लोग एक बार word meaning देख लेंगे तो क्या होगा, जो भी difficult words हैं we'll be knowing the meaning of those words in advance. Okay, so that would be better. So let's discuss the word meanings first. So as you can see, there are total how many word meanings? 6 word meanings are there. So let's discuss them. Household, related to home. Household, related to home. If this word is given household, this means related to home, means anything which is related to your home is known as household. Okay, now tidying. So tidying means making neat and clean. किसी भी चीज को साफ सुथरा रखना, to make anything neat and clean, to keep anything neat and clean, it is known as tidying. Okay, this was tidying. Now third word, terrible. Terrible. Terrible meaning very bad. Something which is very bad, जो बहुत बुरा या बेकार होता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Terrible. Okay, terrible, very bad. Now appearance. APPEARANCE. Appearance meaning the visible look. The visible look. So what is appearance? The visible look. Visible means जो दिखाई दे रहा हो, है ना? कोई भी लुक जो हमको दिखाई दे रहा हो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? अपीयरेंस. द अपीयरेंस ऑफ अ पर्सन, द अपीयरेंस ऑफ अ बुक. कोई भी चीज़ जो हमको विजिबल है उसका जो लुक होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज नोन एज अपीयरेंस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कर्टन. CURTAIN. कर्टन, a piece of cloth used for covering windows and doors. A piece of cloth used for covering windows and doors. So what does this mean? A piece of cloth, कपड़े का एक टुकड़ा, used for covering windows. कवर किसको कवर करने के लिए? विंडोज और डोर्स को कवर करने के लिए. तो आप लोग को याद आ रहा होगा कुछ, क्या चीज़ हम यूज़ करते हैं विंडोज एंड डोर्स को कवर करने के लिए? यस, यू आर राइट, पर्दा. पर्दा लगाते हैं हम लोग विंडोज, खिड़कियों को, दरवाजों में ढकने के लिए. सो उसे हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? कर्टेन. सो व्हाट डू वी कॉल दोज पर्दास व्हिच यू यूज इन योर हाउस? दैट इज नोन एज curtain. Okay, now last is dragged. DRAGGED. Dragged meaning pulled by effort. Pulled by effort. किसी भी चीज़ को ज़बरदस्ती अगर हम या फुल पूरी ताकत के साथ किसी चीज़ को खींचते हैं, पुल करते हैं, राइट? यू पुल समथिंग विथ एफर्ट. कोई चीज़ इजीली उड़ जाती, किसी चीज़ को एकदम ज़बरदस्ती हमको घसीटना पड़ता है, दैट इज नोन एज ड्रैग्ड. सो ड्रैग्ड मीनिंग pulled by effort. Okay, so these are the 6 word meanings. Household, related to home. Tidying, making neat and clean. Terrible, very bad. Appearance, the visible look. Curtain, a piece of cloth used for covering windows and doors. Dragged, pulled by effort. So these are the 6 word meanings. Now let's move to the lesson now. Okay, so let's read the first paragraph. Okay, you also have to read. Now see what does this says. Vidya liked to do household work. Vidya liked to do household work. अब there is a girl, Vidya, her name is Vidya, and what she likes to do the household work. Just now we studied the meaning. If you remember, we just saw the meaning of household, meaning related to home. So here household work meaning this work is related to home. मतलब विद्या को घर के काम करना अच्छा लगता था. Vidya liked to do household work. Now every day she helped her mother in tidying the house. But there was one corner of the house which both of them hated to touch, and that was Praful's room. So this is a long sentence. Let's shorten it. Every day she helped her mother in tidying the house. So every day what Vidya used to do, Vidya used to help her mother in cleaning the house. Okay, but there was one corner of the house which both of them hated. Both of them hated means विद्या और उसकी मम्मी दोनों को घर में एक ऐसा कॉर्नर था घर का जो उन दोनों को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. विद्या एंड हर मदर बोथ ऑफ देम हेटेड दिस कॉर्नर टू टच. एंड व्हाट इज दिस कॉर्नर? दैट वाज प्रफुल्स रूम. ओके, सो इन दैट हाउस, इन विद्याज हाउस, विद्या यूज्ड टू हेल्प हर मदर in cleaning the house, but both Vidya and her mother hated to go one corner of the house. Which was that corner? That was Praful's room. Okay, now Praful was Vidya's younger brother. So who was Praful? Praful was Vidya's younger brother. Younger मतलब छोटा भाई. Praful कौन था? विद्या का छोटा भाई था. Okay, so he had a habit of keeping his room in mess. He had a habit यानी कि आदत थी. हैबिट ऑफ कीपिंग हिज रूम इन मेस यानी कि गंदा करके रखना. तो प्रफुल्ल की क्या आदत थी? प्रफुल्ल की आदत थी कि वो अपने रूम को गंदा रखता था. प्रफुल्ल ही हैड ए हैबिट ऑफ कीपिंग हिज रूम इन मेस. इवन आफ्टर मेनी वार्निंग्स फ्रॉम हिज डैड ही डिड नॉट चेंज हिज हैबिट. मतलब बहुत बार वार्निंग्स दी थी. मेनी टाइम्स हिज डैड गेव वार्निंग्स टू होम? He gave warnings to Praful, but he did not change his habit. पापा के कई बार वार्निंग देने के बाद भी Praful never changed his habit. Praful didn't change his habit. Okay, now next. One day his dad went to his room to meet him as he was going on tour. एक दिन क्या होता है? What does Praful's father do? Praful's father went to Praful's room to meet him as he was going on a tour. Praful's father was going on a tour, so he went to meet him in his room. Okay, as he entered his room, he was shocked to see its condition. As he entered his room, entered यानी कि अंदर घुसे, है ना? कौन? प्रफुल्ल के पापा. Yes, so प्रफुल्ल के पापा जैसे उसके रूम में घुसे, he was shocked. Who was shocked? Praful's father was shocked to see its condition. कंडीशन रूम की जैसी हालत थी वो देख के प्रफुल्ल के पापा शॉक हो गए. ही शाउटेड एट प्रफुल्ल. ही शाउटेड यानी कि चिल्लाए. किसके ऊपर चिल्लाए? प्रफुल्ल के ऊपर. ही शाउटेड एट प्रफुल्ल, ओह व्हाट अ टेरिबल रूम, व्हेन डिड यू लास्ट क्लीन इट? ही शाउटेड एट प्रफुल्ल दैट ओह व्हाट अ टेरिबल रूम, when did you last clean it? He asked him. Praful's father asked Praful that when was the last time you cleaned the room? Okay, then I am going on tour for 1 week. Till the time I return, set this room or I will set you right. Now what Praful's father says? Praful's father says that I am going on tour for 1 week. Praful के पापा कहाँ जा रहे हैं? He is going on a tour for 1 week. Till the time I return, set this room or I will set you right. What he is saying? Praful's father, what he is saying that till the time I return, जब तक मैं वापस नहीं आ जाता, set this room, इस रूम को ठीक करो और I will set you right. अब उसके पापा गुस्सा हो गए हैं. Praful's father is very angry after seeing his room. So he's saying that what a terrible room. When did you last clean it? He's asking him. And he's saying that I'm going on a tour for 1 week. Till the time I return, जब तक मैं वापस नहीं आ जाता, set this room, इस रूम को ठीक करो वरना मैं तुम्हें ठीक कर दूंगा. Okay, so he's saying that set this room or I will set you right. Okay, students, you can also see the image here. See, the bedroom is, this bed is so messy, so untidy. This is Praful's room. See, and how a good room should look like. This is a good room. Everything is arranged. The bed is neat and clean. Toys are kept at the right place. Slippers, shoes, and dustbin, books, everything is kept in one place. But look at this room. See, all the toys are also on the bed. Clothes are also on the bed. Everything is messed up. Drawers are open. Garbage is kept on the table. So this is how a neat room looks like. And this is how a messy room looks like. So now let's see the further part. Praful was very upset. Praful got scoldings from his father, right? So he's very sad and upset about this. So he says, Vidya loved her brother too much. Who was Vidya? Vidya was Praful's sister. So Vidya loved her brother too much. When she saw him upset, she went to him and told. When Vidya saw that his brother is upset because he had got scoldings from his father, so she went to him and she told, "Don't worry, brother, I will help you. Don't worry, brother, I will help you. When we will return from school, both of us will clean this room." So what Vidya is saying that, brother, don't worry, I will help you. भाई तुम परेशान मत हो, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगी. I will help you. When we will return from school, both of us will clean this room. She is saying that जब हम स्कूल से वापस आ जाएंगे, when we will return from school, both of us will clean this room. हम दोनों मिलके इस रूम को साफ करेंगे. Okay, so don't worry, brother, I will help you. When we will return from school, both of us will clean this room. Praful felt better and said, "Thank you, Didi." What Praful? Now Praful was feeling better that her sister told him that I will help you. So he said, "Thank you, Didi." Okay. So up to these 3 paragraphs we studied today. These rest paragraphs we will be studying in our next class. So let's revise what we studied. This is a story about two kids. One name is Vidya and his younger brother Praful. Okay, Praful is Vidya's younger brother. Vidya likes to do the household work and she also helps her mother. But both Vidya and her mother hates to go one corner of the house. And which is that corner? That is Praful's room. So Praful even got many warnings from his dad. He did not change his habit. But one day when his father, Praful's father, was going on a tour, he went to his room and he was shocked to see condition of Praful's room. So he shouted at Praful, he scolded him and he told him that he is going for a 1-week tour and till the time he returns, Praful should set this room and clean this room. And after getting this kind of scolding from his father, Praful was very upset. So when Vidya saw her younger brother upset, she said him that, "Don't worry, brother, I will help you. When we will return from school, both of us will clean this room." And after listening this, Praful felt better and he said, "Thank you, Didi." Okay. Students, we studied 3 paragraphs of this lesson. Praful learns a lesson. That was chapter 2. Okay. And we also studied the word meanings. So the further topics we will be dealing in our next class. By that time, what is your work? We have studied 6 word meanings, right? So you have to write those word meanings in your notebook. Okay, remember that. Write those word meanings in your reader notebook, and after writing it, write those word meanings 2 times in your rough notebook and practice it. Understood? पहले तो एक बार आपको अपने फेयर नोटबुक में लिख के अपने नोट्स कंप्लीट कर लेने हैं. सेकेंडली, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दीज वर्ड मीनिंग्स इन योर रफ नोटबुक एंड प्रैक्टिस इट एंड मेमोराइज इट. ओके, वर्ड मीनिंग्स को अच्छे से लिख के, रफ में लिख के आपको याद भी करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड यस, एज वी स्टडीड 3 पैराग्राफ्स ऑफ दिस लेसन, तो उस चैप्टर को भी आप दोबारा से रीड करके अपनी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस इंप्रूव करेंगे. यू हैव टू ऑल्सो रीड द लेसन एंड प्रैक्टिस your reading habit. Okay, so yeah, your English teacher will be back again in the next class with the further topics of this lesson. Till then, my dear students, take care. Goodbye.